Welcome to my channel. I am getting ready to do a meal prep this evening, and I'm getting ready to make salads, and I'm using hearts of romaine lettuce. And one thing I want to say, it is very, very important when you are making salads or using prepackaged salads. It is very, very important that you rinse your vegetables. A lot of people think that just because they're buying prepackaged vegetables that they don't have to rinse them. Wrong. That is so wrong. You must rinse your vegetables. And you can't rinse them too many times. I rinsed my vegetables last night, but I'm rinsing them again this morning before I start making my salads. Just to make sure that they are clean. There was a lady, and she had been eating prepackaged salads, doing a special diet, and she went to use the bathroom, and she found out that she had worms, you guys. Can you believe that? I read that, and I just thought, oh my God. So, rinse your vegetables, and make sure that you rinse them well. Okay, I had started to make 4 salads, but I'm just going to make 3 servings of salad. And I'm going to add in my lettuce to each container, and I'm going to add about the same amount of lettuce to each one. And I want to give myself a good size salad for my next couple of meals. Now you can use the choice of lettuce that you like to eat, or the choice of vegetables that you like in your salads. On the keto diet, which is what I'm doing, there are a lot of vegetables that you can eat. These are just some vegetables that I have left in the refrigerator, and some that I got in order to make me salads for this week. Now, after I've added all of my all of my lettuce in like I want to, I'm going to go ahead next and add in my mushrooms to my salad. I like mushrooms, and mushrooms are very, very beneficial. They have a lot of different things that they do for your body and everything, and mushrooms are a carb, so you do want to watch how many that you eat of mushrooms. Next, I'm going to add in some red onions, and I love red onions. I have white onions and yellow onions, but I prefer red onions, especially with my salads, because they are sweet. Now remember, onions are carbs, so you probably want to use those scarcely. A lot of people don't want to like adding in a lot of extra carbs on their salads. Now, I love onions, so I'm going to put onions, and also I love tomatoes. Tomatoes are a fruit. A lot of people think that they are a vegetable, but tomato is a fruit. And you can have tomatoes on the ketogenic diet, but I would say eat them sparingly because tomatoes will turn into sugar, turn into glucose. So, I've added my lettuce, I've added in my mushrooms, I've added in some red onions and some tomatoes, and next I'm going to add in some pickles. And I love pickles, so I'm going to add in a pickle spear to each one of the meals here that I'm preparing. And also, I'm going to add in some ripe olives to this also. Now the olives, I'm going to add in enough olives, enough for about a carb. I believe it says 5 olives are 1 carb. So I'm going to add in about 6 to 7 olives per salad. Now these are the basic things that I put into my salads. When I get ready to have these salads, I can still add other things like I'll probably add a little bit of avocado to my salad before I eat it. Or I could add something like maybe a few cucumbers or a little bit of celery, because I do have those items in the refrigerator also, and I like those type of vegetables also. So here I am adding in my olives, and these are the ripe black olives that I'm using. Now below I will attach a list of keto vegetables and fruits, just to give you an idea of some of the foods that you can eat if you are doing the ketogenic diet and you wanted to make salads, so that way you'll know what you can put in them. Because your salads are most certainly probably going to be different than mine, because you probably eat different vegetables than I do. I have a habit of cleaning as I go along, so that's what I'm doing. Also, with my salads, I am going to add in an egg to each one. Now, when I add in my egg, I am going to add in my egg as a whole egg. And that way I'll have the choice of either slicing it and put it on the salad when I get ready to eat it or not. Here I'm getting ready to add in some almonds. And I like the crunchiness of the almonds, plus almonds are very, very good for you also. I'm just going to add in a few almonds, about 4 or 5 to each one of the salads. Just a few almonds. Give it a few nuts. And here, like I said, I'm going to add in an egg to each one. You guys, I love cheese, so I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of cheese. And the cheese that I'm using today is sharp cheddar with a Colby Jack Monterey mix. And I'm going to add just a little bit on top of my salad. Now, when I get ready to eat my salad, I may add a little bit more, or otherwise this will probably be enough cheese, and I may add a little Parmesan cheese to this, something just to give it a little bit more flavor also. When I get ready to eat my salad, I will go ahead and add in my dressings then. I have a lot of different dressings that I use. I have a lot that are from Walden Farm, and Walden Farm is a good dressing to use with your salads. Okay, so there you have it, you all. That is my salad, and I'm just going to put the tops on these and get ready to put these in the refrigerator. Now, one other step that you can take when you are fixing your salads or any meal prep that you do, if you have some labels handily available, you can put labels on your meals so that you know when you made them. That way you'll know when they expire in the refrigerator. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you would, please subscribe, like, share, and comment to my channel. That way you won't miss any videos that I share. Thank you.